876 Streets.
First of all, big up 876 Streets and big up Botek Honda and big up Tasmanian Motorsports. Yeah, the day for me didn't turn out as well as I wanted. I got second place in the first race, but I was having some gearbox issue in the second race, so I had to drop out for the day. But overall, I'm pleased with the power of the car. The car was performing nicely, handling nicely. Big up 876 Streets. Better to come Jam West next month. Big up every time. So big up everybody for supporting today's event, and see you all on May 26th at Jam West to see this machine run again. Yeah man, big up every time. One love.